I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I'm a career coach, a leadership coach, and I help people and organizations be more effective. It could be in a job search, hiring more effectively, managing and leading, workplace-related stuff. And this is a workplace-related thing, which involves setting priorities. I know at times I struggle with this because I get ping-ponged from one thing to another. So I try to follow a particular formula that I find very effective. Let's see how it works for you. Each day I try to outline at least two things, but really two things is my minimum that I have to do on a given day. So minimum two. And part of that is what's its return on investment? What do I get out of this in terms of an outcome? Does it satisfy my goals? In some way, does it contribute to the goals I've set for my month or my year? And has this been something I've been thinking about for a while or been putting off? See, the putting off part is one of those triggers or that signal that suggests that I'm procrastinating for a reason I need to pay attention to. And thus, if I do it, will it help me do the things that I really need to do? Now for you, you may focus on the two things that you have to do for your day. And one of the things I'll suggest to you is, who is this important to? You? Your boss? Who's assigned this and made it so important to you that you need to address it? And is it actually important? Remember, other people try and throw things at you. And yes, you do have to adapt at times, because out of the blue can come something significant that's going to cause you to pause this thing and move on to the next. But think about it for a second. What's most important to you that you have to do today? I'm Jeff Altman. I hope you found this helpful. Visit nobscoachingadvice.com, where I've got a lot of information there to help you be more effective. If you also want my job search information, go to thebiggamehunter.us. All the thousands of posts I have related to job search are included there. In addition, if you're interested in one-on-one coaching, at either site you can schedule time for a free discovery call or schedule time for coaching. I'd love to help you. Lastly, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Click the small icon in the lower right or the picture of me in the upper left. I hope you have a terrific day and be great. Take care.